Hi guys. So the coffee in the rain was it's been a while. So this cold drink helped me. I spit out the germs. Then it comes from
Your lungs? How many? 3 times? 4 times? And then you feel better now?
then I spit down the Paw Patrols and all.
Why did you get the cough? Tell me.
Because in my first try, and then my second try,
And then you vomit it all.
there's 21 down.
And then I whipped out. Here, I whipped out.
Yeah.
Oh, don't touch that.
It looks like a
germs.
Pikachu.
What do you want to tell to the kids out there?
And this shape looks like Pikachu.
Yeah. And then you tell the people and the kids out there, what do you want to say for them?
I don't want to say for them.
Talk.
Don't forget to drink Vitafloss at home. If you're out, you can buy some in our store.
Very good.
And don't forget the white space, right? Ring the bell, and if you like my video, and welcome to Miggy's World. When you made your own video and made your video, and do it now.
Bye.
Bye.
My first Beta Plus people.
Bye. Like the plus.